Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video I'm gonna create this look right here, and honestly before starting this tutorial I had an image of a makeup in my mind where I wanted a very dewy wet base with minimal eyes and bold red lips, and I achieved it. So it's very easy and yet very glammed. And if you want to know how I created this hydrating, fresh and minimal eyes, pretty eyes with bold lips, then please keep on watching. So before starting I'm gonna pin my hair so they don't come in between. So as we are doing like a wet, hydrating and dewy look, so I'm gonna begin by using the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's the aloe cucumber, so I'm gonna spritz it. And on the damp skin I'm using my moisturizer. This is the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. Focus baby. Okay, so this is the Belif True Cream Water Bomb, sorry, and I'm gonna use it on my damp face. And now I'll let it dry and like wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Now moving on to primer, I'm using the Smashbox Vitamin Glow primer. So it's like a very hydrating primer and it gives you like a glow, and this primer will be perfect for my today's look because I want very dewy hydrating look. So I'm gonna take a little bit and just massage it like around my nose and forehead and chin and all over my face. So can you see how instantly like it has given glow? Moving on to concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and I'm gonna use it under my eyes and on my acne marks. Where's my mirror? So around like my mouth, a little bit on my forehead, and also like around my eyes. So I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and then like blend it all together. So today I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the shade 1W2 Sand, and I'm gonna take a very tiny bit of a foundation, like not even half a pump, very little, and then I'm gonna blend it this much. This is, I feel कि ये भी ज़्यादा है, but let's see. Now blend, 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 blend. Okay, now we'll start blending. Can you see like the finish of my foundation? Because of the base and these products, my like the base is looking very glowy. See how pretty. Now I'll move on to another concealer from PAC. This is their Spotlight concealer in the shade 02 Skin. Sabka shade 02 ही है, I guess. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a little bit on my eyes, over my eyes, and also a little bit under my eyes to brighten them up, and also over my eyes to create like a base for my eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna set it with a powder. So I'm gonna take a little bit here, and on my eyes and on my nose very little. That's it. Now I'm gonna blend it in. So can you see how instantly it brightened my under eyes? So I really like this concealer to just brighten it. like brighten my face. And now I'm gonna move on to some loose powder, and I'm gonna use this loose powder from Becca, and I'm gonna set my under eyes and whole face थोड़ा सा एकदम lightly, पूरा powder नहीं कर दूंगी. So I'm gonna take my powder brush and take a little bit, and see. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep it like this for about 3-4 minutes जब तक मेरी eyes नहीं हो जाती है. I'm also gonna set like my upper lip because I sweat a lot here, and also I sweat a lot on my forehead, so I'm gonna set it and then move the brush all over my face. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm gonna dig into this shade Sandalwood and go all over my lid and create like a good base for my eyeshadow. And today I'm not gonna do much on my eyes because I want to wear like a bold red lip, so I want my eyes to be like very minimal, but I want something going on there. So I'm gonna do like a very light dull gold sparkle, very little bit, like a very dull, and with bright bold red lips. So I'm gonna begin using a blending brush, like a fluffy big one, and dig into this Sandalwood, tap off the excess. This is how I want my eyelid to look like. ऊपर से मैं यहाँ से sparkle करूँगी, very light sparkle. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same on my other eye. So now I'm happy with like the base of my eyes. Now I'm gonna move on to this bubbly shade right here. This is like a very dull gold color, like a gold sparkle, not even gold, like a very champagne goldish finish. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and use this all over, almost all over my lid, up to like a 3/4 of my eye. This shade, the bubbly one, it gives like a very shiny and wet eyes, so I really like this shade. Now I'm taking a very small brush, and then again I'm taking this Sandalwood and do my lower lash line एकदम हल्के से to complete the look. So I'm happy with how my eyes are looking. I'm gonna dust off the baking powder, loose powder, and move on to liner. So I'm thinking of doing like a winged eyeliner, like a straight winged eyeliner, and a little bit thicker than usual. So yeah, probably I'll do that off camera. And also I'm gonna do my lashes, like stick falsies. So I'm not sure about falsies. पहले मैं mascara लगाऊंगी and see if I want falsies for today's look or not. We'll see. First we'll do the liner. I'm using this e.l.f. eyeliner pen, and it's a good eyeliner pen, but it's not long lasting. थोड़ा सा smudge हो जाता है after a long day. You can use any other good eyeliner, but I have this one now. बाकी के मेरे pen liners खत्म हो गए. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one today. So I'm pretty much happy with my eyeliner, and the struggle is real. So now I'll move on to mascara, and I'm gonna use this Benefit Bad Girl Bang. It really gives like a good volume and curls up your lashes, like lifts your lashes, not curl, lifts your lashes. So I really like this mascara. So the liner is done and mascara is done, and now I'm gonna move on to this eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. It has a very white, shimmery, bright shade. So I'm gonna do that on my inner eyes to complete my look. So yeah, so pretty. Now moving on to contour, I'm using the Sephora Snow Glow palette, and it's a very a cute palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade and contour and take this brush. I'm gonna take it a little bit upward, like till here, till my temples. I have a very small forehead, तो मैं एकदम ऊपर तक नहीं लेके जाती हूँ, सिर्फ टेम्पल तक लेके जाती हूँ. So I'm gonna do that on my other side, and I'm also gonna do like my jawline. Moving on to blush, I'm gonna use this Milani, one of my favorite palette, and use a very pretty coral shade. Using this blush brush. Now moving on to highlighter, I'm gonna use Becca Champagne Pop, जो discontinue हो गया है. So I'm gonna use this pretty shade. It's like a very nice highlighter. I really like it. It's a very good highlighter and it gives you very nice glow, and we are doing hydrating look, so it works very good. I'm taking a spoolie and just run it through my brows कि जो भी foundation and कुछ भी powder products रहेंगे वो निकल जाएंगे. Now finishing off with lipstick, red, the star. I'm gonna use the My Glam lipstick, and it's in the shade 28 Super Swipe, and it's a very pretty red color, like a cool tone types, like with blue undertone types red. I don't like very rusty reds, I like these reds, so I'm gonna use this one today. So this is the finished look. I wanted to wear a red lip, so I did with pretty minimal eyes. So I really like how it turned out, and this is what I was having in mind before starting the video. So I hope you found this tutorial video helpful, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.